There's a buzz in the air from the east to the west. Folks in the heartland are beating their chests as the red, white, and blue waves high again. They say the trunk train's coming, better get you friends. From the fields of Kentucky to Texas plains wide, everyone's a-talking about the Patriot pride. He's got the hat on and the message is plain: get aboard or get run down by that old trunk train. The truck trains are coming, won't you hear that sound? We're rolling through the country, gonna shake this town. With the spirit of CC's headed down the line. Hop on board or get left behind. In the small town diners and the city streets, folks are gathered around to hear him speak. Promises of work and a lesser tax load. Folks are saying he's a man to lighten the load. They say he's rough around the edges, but ain't we all? He's a fighting for the folks who felt they got the fall. As the train keeps rolling, there's a shout and a cheer. With 24 ahead, there's nothing to fear. The truck trains are coming, won't you hear that sound? We're rolling through the country, gonna shake this town. With the spirit of CC, he's headed down the line. Hop on board or get left behind. They say he's rough around the edges, but ain't we all? He's a fighting for the folks who felt they got the fall. As the train keeps rolling, there's a shout and a cheer. With 24 ahead, there's nothing to fear. The trunk trains are coming, won't you hear that sound? We're rolling through the country, gonna shake this town. With the spirit of CC, he's headed down the line. Hop on board or get left behind.